Do you have an OBSBot Meet SE webcam? And is your face getting blurry or out of focus? In this video, I'm going to show you some ways to fix it. So the first solution is very silly. You need to cover your face like this, and then you need to show your face, and it's going to auto detect your face. The reason why there is a problem with the focus is because this webcam does not have face detect autofocus. You get face detect autofocus in the other variant, that is Meet 2 4K, but this one does not have it, and I think that could be the reason for it. Now the second method would be you need to install OBSBot Center. In order to do it, you need to go over to Chrome, go over to obsbot.com/download, or you could go to obsbot.com. You need to hover on this resources, then go over to download. Now here you're going to find OBSBot Meet SE, click on that. Scroll down, you're going to find Windows or Mac OS. You can switch between them depending on what operating system you've got. So Windows, just press on download, or you can click on the earlier version. Once you've installed the software, you need to go inside, open it up. Now inside it, you're going to find this image. Click on that. And here in focus, toggle the autofocus off. Now you can use this manual focus slider. If I move it to the right, extreme right, it's going to be very out of focus and blurry. So I'm going to move to the left till my face is in focus. And now you can keep it this way. This way you do not need to worry about the autofocus feature. You can just keep it at manual focus. And yeah, you should get a key light like I've got here on the right hand side. This will also help you if you light your face. The focus will be better with the webcam. Yeah, that's it. That's how to fix out of focus or blurry face in OBSBot Meet SE webcam. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more OBSBot related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.